Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix SSL certificate issues in Shopify. So, if your Shopify store is showing an SSL error or says your connection is not secure, don't worry. I've got you covered. In this video I will show you how to fix the SSL issues on Shopify step by step. Let's jump in. So step 1 is checking the SSL status in Shopify. So first of all, let's check if your SSL certificate is active. Here's how you can do that. Simply navigate to Shopify admin, navigate to settings, then navigate to domains under these settings. Now look under the SSL status next to your domain. So I don't have any domains active, but if you'll have any domains, you'll have to just look under the SSL status. If it says SSL unavailable, move on to the next step. Next step is verifying your domain connection. So if you recently added a custom domain, Shopify may still be processing the SSL certificate. This can take up to 48 hours. To check, navigate to settings, then navigate to domains just on this page and make sure that your domain is properly connected. Click manage next to your domain and check for any warnings or errors. If the domain isn't connected, click reconnect and follow these steps. Now, if your SSL is still not working, check your DNS settings on your domain provider. Simply make sure that your records are correct. A record should point to 23.227.38.65 and the CNAME record should point to shops.myshopify.com. Now, if the records are incorrect, update them and wait a few hours for changes to take effect. Now, if your SSL certificate is stuck, try this quick fix. Navigate to Shopify admin, navigate to settings, then navigate to domains. Now, under domains, temporarily disconnect your custom domain. Wait a few minutes, then reconnect the domain. And Shopify will automatically reissue the SSL certificate. Now, if you have followed these steps and your SSL issue isn't resolved, it's time to contact Shopify support. Simply open a new tab and type in Shopify Help Center, then hit enter and click on the link that says help.myshopify.com. Then it will take you to this page where you'll have to just explain the issue and provide details about your domain provider and DNS settings. And that's how you fix the SSL issue on Shopify. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any other questions. See you in the next one.